channel. My name's Justin. This is not telling this story.
Welcome back to another episode of Eats and Treats with the Reese Girls. Today we are going to be making chicken and shrimp paella.
So if you haven't checked out our last video, make sure you guys check that out. The link for that will be in the description box below. So let's get started.
So the ingredients you need are chicken broth, you need rice, garlic and onion, we pre-chopped them, tomatoes, peppers, sweet peppers, I have yellow and red, and you need paprika, salt, rosemary, and black pepper. And then we have shrimp here. These were the jumbo shrimp, but we cut them in half because they're super big. And then we have chicken. This is the whole chicken except for the breast. So that's yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make it. So I have also a pre-measured oil in here, and the ingredients, like everything that you need, will be in the description box below. So let's get started. So first I'm going to brown the chicken, which I have here. We seasoned it with some paprika and salt. And then when I put it in, I'm going to cover it with my little friend. So I'll put the splatter when so the oil doesn't splatter all over me. So I'm going to start. I'm going to add my onion and garlic into the chicken grease. And then after a while, after they start sweating, then I'm going to add in the bell peppers, the red and the yellow. So now I've added all the pre-measured ingredients, and now I'm going to mix it up. And then next, I'm going to add in the rice and the chicken broth, and I'm going to leave that to cook. Smells really good, guys. So now I'm going to add in the rice and mix it in. And I already washed the rice, pre-washed it, and it's good to do that with your rice. Now, after I get all the rice out, I'm going to mix it so all the vegetables combine in with the rice. Then I'm going to add in the chicken stock, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. And when it comes to a boil, then the rice will be complete, and then I'll allow it to simmer. So now I'm going to let it boil. And then when it comes to a complete boil, I'm going to allow it to simmer. So I forgot to tell you guys that I covered the lid so I can grab the chicken and put it on top. So I'm going to do that right now and show you. So this is our chicken. I'm going to place them on top. So now I'm going to cover it for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna check it. Oh, the rice is pretty fluffy. Trying to see if there's any liquid left. Looks good. This is our basmati rice. Okay, so the aroma is so good. I know you guys can't smell it, but I'm telling you guys, you should try this recipe out. It'll be in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the shrimp and the peas. So I'm going to grab that quickly. So I'm going to give it a stir. Colors look so beautiful, guys. Comment down below if you want to try this recipe out. Okay, so now I'm going to add the shrimp. So I pre-cleaned the shrimp. Now I'm going to place them around and let them cook. And then we'll show you the final results. So, see you soon. So, I checked the chicken and the chicken's cooked, and as you can see, the shrimp is cooked. Ooh, let me show you again. They're all nice. So, now we're gonna try it. As you can see, it smells so good, guys. I wish you guys could smell it. The aroma here is crazy. It smells so delicious. So now I'm going to take them out and allow me and my sisters to try it and see what they think about the chicken and shrimp paella.
So thank you guys for watching. These actually look like super duper good. Can't wait to eat it.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So now we're gonna try these.
I'm gonna try the shrimp.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers from the Reese for us. Paella.
You got to eat it.
Budget.
I never ate shrimp before.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
This is super delicious, guys. I think you should try it out.
Mm-hmm.
And don't forget that all of the ingredients and the measurements for all of the ingredients will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So thank you guys for watching again. Love you guys.
Bye.